Hey guys! As a YouTuber who focuses on hairstyles and hair tutorials predominantly, I have a huge archive of hair tutorials up on my channel. Loads and loads and loads of hairstyles I have tried, but if I'm completely honest, most of those hairstyles I will only wear once for the video and maybe one or two times after that, and then they just kind of disappear out of my life again. So I thought today it would be fun if I shared with you the hairstyles that I do actually wear frequently on a day-to-day basis. I have a little collection of maybe like 5 different hairstyles, just a very small amount that I do actually rotate, because the truth is, even though I enjoy playing with hair and coming up with new hairstyles and experimenting, in day-to-day life I cannot be bothered to spend more than a few seconds, few minutes tops. So that's the plan for today. I'm gonna walk you through the hairstyles I do actually wear on a day-to-day basis, and these are all super quick, super simple, super basic hairstyles, very beginner friendly hairstyles that can just very quickly pull your look together in a matter of a few seconds. So the very first one is a perfect example of that, and it is the simplest hairstyle ever, and it is the one that I probably wear the most often, especially when I am wearing my hair curled. Like today I am wearing overnight curls that I did with the sock bun. I am using the very same method I used in that sock bun video I uploaded 8 years ago. It's been 8 years, I cannot believe it. But yeah, same method. I just sleep with my hair in a sock bun and then it comes out something like this. I very often like to just take a little bit of hair from the front here. And I recently shared this hairstyle in my super quick half updos video, but I'll just grab this hair, give it a little twist, push it forward a little bit so that it creates a tiny bit of volume, then take a bobby pin that I just slide in to secure this little strand of hair. And then I do the same thing on the other side, so I just grab a bit of hair, give a little twist, push forward, and that is it. So simple as this hairstyle is, it does just help to take my hair out of my face and make it look like I put a little bit of effort into styling my hair, even though it took like 5 seconds to do. This is probably the hairstyle I gravitate to the most. Really nice and simple. So let's move on to the next one very quickly, and that will be a pretty similar one, and also one from the super quick half updo video. I just take the top portion of my hair from front to back. I comb my hair back like that, just with my fingers. I always go for messier hairstyles in my day-to-day life because they're quicker and easier to do in my opinion. So I take a hair elastic, I will pull a little loop of hair through that elastic, and then I will tie the rest of the elastic around that little loop to create a very little bun that I will then just kind of spread out, make a little bit bigger, and then sometimes I will tug at the hair that's right above it to give a little bit more volume. And that's it, that's number 2. I really like half updos because I like wearing my hair down but still kind of having it out of my face. Another one that I do wear pretty often is a very simple high ponytail. So for that I just pull all of my hair up towards my crown. And usually if I do something like that, I do try to leave a little bit of a center parting in the middle, just because I feel like that's a little bit more flattering with my face. Secure it with a hair elastic. And then depending on my mood that day, I will either add an accessory like this little ponytail embellishment. It's just a simple little gold clip that you clip around the ponytail. Or I will take a little strip of hair from the bottom of my ponytail, like that, wrap it around the hair elastic to kind of hide it, and then I will just slide a bobby pin in at the bottom here as well to secure that. And there's my ponytail all done. Again, just looks like I put a little bit of effort into my look, but it took next to no time again. And when you take that little bit of extra effort to hide the elastic with either a strip of hair or an accessory like that, just takes the frumpiness away from the ponytail, and I personally really like that. So yeah, this is another go-to of mine. Super simple, but super cute. Now here is what I do when my hair starts to get a little bit greasy, but I want to stretch it one more day because I may be going to the gym that day and I want to wash it after I go and not before. On those days I like to make a side parting, like back in the old days before I had bangs, and I will kind of pull the hair that is just beside my bangs over my bangs, and that makes it really easy to kind of just pull everything to the side and hide my bangs. And already my bangs are just gone, which is perfect. That's the advantage of having like a really thin bangs. And since I only ever really do this when my hair is greasy, I will then pull the rest of my hair into a low ponytail. Honestly, low buns have been my jam lately. I feel like they are super easy, super quick, and really elegant. So I just pull my hair into a ponytail, secure it with a hair elastic, and then I will just very gently and loosely wrap the hair into a kind of roll and then roll that around the hair elastic and then stick a few pins in to secure this. So I'll just stick the pin into the side of the bun, scoop up a little bit of hair and then push it under. And then depending on how greasy my hair is, if I can afford to, I will pull out a little bit of hair again on the sides and top to make my hair look a little bit more voluminous. If it is too greasy to do that, I just pull it back into a sleek style. I will brush it and make sure it is nice and sleek so that it doesn't look extra greasy. But you know, with semi-clean hair like today, I feel like I can get away with fluffing it up a little bit more. And this is a hairstyle that I, you know, go to when I want to not wear bangs for a day. My last go-to super quick hairstyle is one with bangs again, but it is another low bun, and this is a low messy bun, and it is the quickest, simplest thing ever. This literally takes a few seconds. I just grab my hair into a ponytail. I will pull a portion of my hair through the elastic. Then I will grab that hair again. I will kind of wrap it around that piece of hair. I just do everything very loosely and kind of messily, and then I just finish wrapping my hair elastic around until it no longer stretches, and then I kind of tug at this bun, pull it out, make it nice and messy, and then again I just tug at my hair a little bit to make it look a bit more voluminous. But that is my messy low bun, and honestly this is most likely what I'll be wearing if I'm just working around the house all day or sitting behind my desk. It's a very quick kind of go-to, again, gets everything out of your face, but I feel like it still does look nice enough that I would, you know, gladly go out in this. That concludes my real life, wearable, actually doable in a few seconds go-to hairstyles that I actually wear. So I really hope you enjoyed this quick little video, guys. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content. If you'd like to support me on Patreon, there's a link in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support. There will be another video here that you may also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!